Junhao. Pixels of Hope. Pixels of Hope, T Junhao.
May I ask a simple question to each of you? Do you think that a simple thing, like a story, can change a life? If yes, congratulations. You guys are closer to understand the true value of anime and games. Today, we are going to talk about anime and games. They are not just an entertainment. They can benefit to us emotionally, mentally, even spiritually. Let's talk about stress. After a long day of working, exam, homework, our brain feels tired, and they provide us a safe place to rest, relax, and release all our stress away. They just like listening our music or even exercising. They can be a healthy way to release our stress, but done in balance. We also learn from them. Like in Naruto, we heard that hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Or even another perfect example, if you don't take the risk, you can't create a future. These are the things we can't learn in the textbook or even in the classroom. These are the special things we can learn from them. One of my personal experience, a year ago, I was overwhelmed. School pressure, self-doubt, expectation make my day feel heavy. But an anime, the character is just like me. Weak, helpless, ignored, and told that I will never succeed. But unlike me, he chose to keep going until he succeed. Because he never give up. That moment, it gave me a lesson, hope. It was like a light shine in my life. For many, they are not just important thing, but for me, it was very unique, important for my life. So, anime and games are not just a fun. For many, they are lifelines. So, remember that anime and games, they are not just screen and pixel. When used wisely, they can heal, teach, inspire, and even save life. So, anime and games are not just bring this drawback for us. Thank you.